Imagine having a business that works nonstop while you're eating, traveling, or even sleeping. That's exactly what the ClickBank Super Funnel makes possible. Instead of struggling with pages, emails, and endless testing, you simply connect to a ready-made funnel that's already converting. It collects leads, sends out a sequence of persuasive emails, and promotes high-ticket offers through webinars, all automatically. This means your funnel is constantly working in the background, building your list and closing sales without needing you to be online. It's like having a full sales team on autopilot. All you have to do is send traffic to it, and the system handles the rest. No product creation, no customer service, no tech headaches, just a done for you business that grows as you grow your traffic. Click below to learn how you can plug into the ClickBank Super Funnel and start building your own 24/7 sales machine today.